write a bit. Y equal to x plus under root x plus under root x square plus a square whole power n. Then dy by dx equal to, so dy by dx, first derivative of the power function n into x power n minus 1. So derivative of the power function is over. Derivative of the internal function x derivative 1, root function derivative 2 root x square plus a square, derivative of x equal 1 plus derivative of root 1 by 2 root x, internal derivative x square derivative 2x plus 0. These two cancel. Take LCM in this bracket. N into x plus root over x square plus a square whole power n minus 1. Take LCM. 1 means 1 by 1. So x square plus a square. Divide with this one. We get the same. Under root x square plus a square. This term cancel. X into 1 equal to x. Observe the numerator. X plus under root x square plus a square. Bases are equal. So add the powers. N into x plus under root x square plus a square n minus 1 plus 1 by under root x square plus a square. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Observe this place. Given problem repeated in this place. X plus under root x square plus a square whole power n. So this is nothing but the given problem y. So n y by under root x square plus a square. X square plus a square. Next problem. Y equal to or dy by dx cos square tan inverse sine of cot inverse x. Sine of cot inverse x. Find derivative of this function. First, remove sine and cot inverse. Convert this cot inverse as sine inverse. Cot inverse adjacent side x by opposite side 1. So by the Pythagoras law, hypotenuse 1 plus x square. So sine of sine inverse opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine was cancel. Under root 1 plus x square. This is the simplification of this part only. So cos square tan inverse, cos square tan inverse d by dx of Similarly, convert this tan inverse as cos inverse. Take another diagram. Opposite side by adjacent side by the Pythagoras law, 2 plus x square. So cos of cos inverse adjacent side by hypotenuse. This square is this one. This square is this one into dy by dx. Cos inverse cancel. Root 2 square cancel. So finally you get d by dx of 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. So apply u by v formula. U by v formula. U dash v minus v dash u by v square u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of x square 2x, this 2 plus x square minus derivative of 2 0, 2x 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square whole square. Multiply the brackets. We get 4x minus 2x cube plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube by 2 plus x square whole square. 2x cube cancel. 2x by 2 plus x square whole square. 2 plus x square whole square. Listen. First convert this cot inverse as sine inverse. Cot adjacent side by opposite side by the Pythagoras law. Sine inverse opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine inverse cancel. Similarly, convert this tan inverse as cos inverse. Take another diagram. Tan opposite by adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. So cos inverse adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos inverse cancel. Root 2 square cancel. 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. U by v formula. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of x square 2x. Multiply with 2x, we get 2x by 2 plus x square whole square